Pakistan's Minister of Defense Production, MoDP, Rana Tanveer Hussain was recently quoted by local media, The Nation, Dunya News, outlining Pakistan Aeronautical Complexes, PAC, plans to export 100 new MFI-395 Super Mushshak trainers. Coming off a spate of successful sales to Nigeria, Qatar, and Turkey, which accounts for PAC's single largest Super Mushshak sale at 52 units, PAC is talks to sell Super Mushshaks to Azerbaijan and the Maldives. Mr. Hussain added that the JF-17 multi-role fighter will also secure overseas sales in 2017. The MFI-395 Super Mushshak is a significantly upgraded variant of the Saab MFI-17 Supporter, which was assembled from knockdown kits in Pakistan in the 1980s. In 1995, PAC began developing an indigenously manufactured version of the Supporter. The MFI-395 is powered by a Lycoming IO-540 260 horsepower engine, which powers a two-bladed propeller from Hartzell. PAC rolled out its first MFI-395 in November 2000 and in May 2001, it conducted the Super Mushshak's maiden test flight. Since then, the Super Mushshak has been procured by many overseas users.